Have you ever felt that everything around you is just too perfect to be real? From the way atoms behave to the vast complexity of the universe, many scientists and tech giants like Elon Musk believe there is a 99.9% chance that we are living inside a massive, sophisticated computer simulation. Think about it. Only 40 years ago, we had basic games like Pong, which were just pixels and dots. Today, we have hyper-realistic virtual worlds where millions of people interact in real time. If technology continues to evolve at this rate for another 1,000 years, we will eventually create simulations so real that the characters inside won't even know they are in a game. So who's to say an advanced civilization hasn't already done this to us? To understand this, we need to look at the hard limits of our universe. In physics, the speed of light is a universal speed limit. Nothing can go faster. This behaves exactly like the maximum processing speed of a computer's CPU. It's the system's bandwidth. Then there's quantum mechanics, specifically the observer effect. Experiments show that subatomic particles only choose a definite state when they are being watched. This is identical to how modern video games save memory by only rendering or loading the environment that the player is currently looking at. If you aren't looking at the mountains behind you in a game, the computer doesn't draw them. Our universe seems to do the exact same thing. Furthermore, look at the language of nature. Everywhere we look, from the spirals of galaxies to the patterns on a sunflower, we see the Fibonacci sequence and complex mathematical fractals. It's as if the entire world is built on a recurring line of code. Some philosophers even suggest that we are an ancestor simulation, a program run by our own descendants in the distant future who want to study their history by recreating it in a digital environment. If that's the case, then every historical event, every war, and every discovery was pre-programmed. But what about the errors? People often report glitches in the matrix, objects disappearing and reappearing, or the Mandela Effect, where thousands of people remember history differently. Are these just tricks of the mind, or are they actual system bugs that occur when the simulation's server is overloaded? If we are truly digital avatars, it raises the ultimate question: do we have free will, or are we just following a script written by a programmer we call God? We might never know the truth because a character inside a game can never see the computer it's running on. But the more you look at the data, the harder it is to ignore the possibility that you are just a line of code in someone else's machine. Think about it next time you look in the mirror. This is Vantage Point. Subscribe if you want to wake up from the Matrix.